Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone. We've just vacuumed out a ceiling with all the cellulose, and so this is our vacuum machine here with the hose. And if we come up in the roof now, actually, Craig, just grab us that LED torch, mate. And if we have a look up in here now, you can see it's all vacuumed out, and so it comes out nice and clean. So it looks pretty messy before we start. A lot of ladies would be jealous of our vacuum cleaner, but that 8 horsepower motor, and we vacuum it all out and it just comes out. So, and if we look over there, all the way down the roof, so it's not a problem to vacuum out the cellulose fibre if you want it out to replace your ceilings or anything like that, or if you just want to try something else. But up to you. We're happy to come and vacuum it out for you.